So how to order a Wise card? So to go ahead and order a Wise physical card within the Wise app, it's very simple to do. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open the Wise app, and you simply just want to go ahead and click on cards right at the bottom here. Then once you've done that, it opens you up to this page here, and nice and simple, you just want to select get a card. Then from there, it opens you up to this page here, and to go ahead and order a physical card, you simply want to select physical right here. Then once you've done that, you then just need to go ahead and pick the type of Wise card you want. So for the example of this video, I'm just going to go with standard, which as you can see right now, you can order for £2.50. Then once you've done that, you simply just need to input the address that you want your Wise card to be delivered to. So just go ahead and enter the address that you want your Wise card to be sent to. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and select continue at the bottom. Then once you've selected continue, you'll then just need to select the type of delivery. So for the example of this video, I'm just going to go with standard because it's free. And once you've selected on your delivery, select continue at the bottom again. Then once you've done that, you just need to select how you want your name to appear on the card. So you can either go with your first name first or your last name first. But once you've decided that, click continue again. And then from there, you just need to enter your 4-digit PIN. Then once you've entered your 4-digit PIN, click continue. And then nice and simple, you just need to enter the same PIN again, just to verify it. Then once you've confirmed your PIN, you'll then just need to review your order, make sure you're happy with the purchase and that the delivery address matches. And if you're happy, click continue. Then from there, you just need to go ahead and confirm and pay for your new debit card. So usually if you do have money within your Wise account, it will just subtract it from your account. But if you're happy to pay and confirm, you can go ahead and select pay at the bottom. And there you have it. And your card has now successfully been ordered, and you should expect to see it in the post within a few working days. And if you select view card, you can also go ahead and manage your physical card from here, and you can even go ahead and add it to your Apple Wallet. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.